Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add send email button on Facebook page. For that you have to open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. Look at this my Facebook page dashboard. Now I'm showing easy method step by step, so follow my all process. First of all, look at the right corner, tap on profile icon and go to your profile dashboard. Tap on three line, edit action button, change button, and select this send email. Next, tap on your email address, okay, now save. Now successfully add send email button on your Facebook page. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.